So today let's go into absolute basic, right? For somebody who is just trying to explore the ERP world and trying to understand what an ERP is, let's just answer one of the very basic questions that even I had when I was starting. What is Oracle ERP, right? So Oracle ERP, basically Oracle is a technology company based out of Redwood Shores in California, USA. So that's an easy part. The important part is ERP. ERP is basically an acronym, and to understand ERP you just have to expand on this acronym of ERP. E is for enterprise, R is for resource, P is for planning. So enterprise is any business or activity, any business or financial activity that is being done, any business that we know, right? It could be of any size and any sector. Okay. Resource, now within any enterprise or within any business, there are different type of resources which helps the business do its activity, right? So some typical resource, if I ask you what could be a resource or what could be useful for a business, some things like assets, right? It's customers are resource, because customers is what helps business to go. Even suppliers, right? So if you don't have suppliers are also important resource of a business. They help you keep your activities going, employees, right, etc. And then we can go on and on what is a resource for a business. These are some common examples. There could be multiple examples of resources for a business. And the last word is planning. Planning is basically means it helps you to record, track, and report on your assets, on your resources, right? So ERP is a package solution like given by Oracle, the company Oracle, right? So it's a package solution from Oracle which helps the enterprises plan their resources, right? And by planning we mean it helps them to record their resources, track their resources, and report on their resources. So ERP as a general concept or as a industry standard doesn't change. ERP is ERP. There are multiple providers of ERP, and Oracle just being one of the best out there, right? So it's one of the most popular. Most of the Fortune 500 companies use Oracle ERP. They have been using it through years. Things have not changed, and there is a reason for that. So as we go into details about each ERP, each modules of within ERP, we'll understand why Oracle is so popular or why Oracle is so powerful, right? But just wanted to introduce you here to one of the very basic questions, right? Somebody who is just starting out there, that what is an Oracle ERP, right? So just ERP is a package solution provided by many. One of them is Oracle. One of the most popular of them is Oracle. So Oracle ERP, and ERP as a concept is a package solution which helps enterprises plan their resources. By enterprise, any business of any size and sector. Resources means any resources within a business that helps them do the business, right? It could be assets, it could be customers, it could be suppliers, it could be employees, anything. And planning is planning the resources belonging to a business. So it could be it could help them in record these resources, track these resources, and then report on these resources, because that is very important, right? So I'll see you in the next lecture where I will cover on what are some more details on this Oracle ERP, and what are different modules, and what are its different strengths. So yeah, let's see you in the next lecture.